top, it was the main.
Wanna see what we have inside and what is it? Many of you remember this sketch from one of my first videos. This is what we will be building today, the spare tire rack. This is the idea. I'm gonna be welding this hinge here, but before that I'm gonna be cleaning up a little bit of previous welding that I did yesterday. As you can see here, I reinforced the square, especially at the corner, just because remember this spare tire rack is gonna have, you know, a lot of weight. I prefer to reinforce this area. And the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna be putting a couple screws here, clean it up, the past welding, and then I'm gonna be welding the hinge in this corner. I'm making a real quick test before welding the hinge. On top of that, I think it's gonna be raining in a moment. But as you can see here, that's the principal corner, and down here is the other one. Let's make another round of test before putting the final screws.
The top, it was the main.
Wanna see what we have inside and what is it?